Here's how to create a recap video. Download InShot on the App Store or Google Play Store. Import your videos into InShot. Tap Filter, Effect. Select the Retro 2 Light Effect. Scroll to another clip and select the effect again. This time the Film and Darken effect. Now get creative and add a variety of transitions between your clips. And you have a lovely throwback video compilation of your best moments.